Uh, Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, classmates. So in this video, we're gonna tackle all about the promoting dance through generation today. So my name is Mark Jason Sabater, and ito yung answer ko sa presentation na ito. So what strategies can be implemented to make dance more accessible and appealing to diverse age groups and skills level while emphasizing its benefits for physical, emotional, and social being. So my answer is there is so many teaching methods and strategies to make dance more accessible to all, especially student groups of dancers, its festival, or even a person with the passion or talent. So first, we need to know what kind of dance that we want to do, their genre, and we need a good place like studio, avenue, or stage that anything can be. So, in the very first place, we need we, kailangan natin malaman yung kung ano bang klaseng sayaw ang kailangan natin isayaw o kailangan natin matutunan. Siyempre, like music, ang dance is napakadaming genre, no? Like meron tayong hip hop, meron tayong cultural dance, and so many more, no? May mga folk dance din. So, need natin malaman yung mga basics ng dance, bilang yung mga basic steps. And second is need natin ng good place. Pwede tayo mag-practice sa studio and stage or anything can be. Pwede rin naman sa mga public place, sa mga cover court ng every subdivision or even sa school, right? Then second is we need a good plan. We need a plan, we need a goal for our dance. We need a good music that would match to our dance. And knowledge to dance and understanding and also good emotion because with this we can show our emotion and message to them while performing a dance. So in second, we need a plan, we need a goal. So before we proceed to practice our dance, we need a good knowledge na dapat may alam tayo sa kung anong dance ang gusto nating isayaw. We have a goal. So basically, parang we need a plan na in every 1 week, we have 3 days to perform or to practice our dance. So to make it perfect. And also knowledge na rin, 'di ba? So knowledge and understanding about dance na kapag sumayaw tayo ng let's say cultural dance, so kailangan mapapaiwatig din natin yung good emotions and message while performing dance. So we need a good, let's say, good outfit. Syempre nga, 'di ba? Let's say cultural dance. So kailangan na ipapaiwatig din natin sa mga nanonood, sa mga nanonood sa atin kung ano yung gusto natin ipahiwatig sa dance na yon. And the third is, so the dance is also a universal language. We can understand what they really meant to be and what the message of their dance is. The dance was so accessible even we can learn it by our own. So, ang sabi dito sa third, yung dance daw pala is universal language, no? Yung nga, tulad na nasabi ko sa second, kailangan na ipapahiwatig ng mga dancer kung ano yung message and emotions nila sa kanilang dance, sa kanilang pag-perform. Yun nga, diba, even though na wala tayong knowledge about sa mga cultural dance or even though sa folk dance, is naiintindihan natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin behind that dance, behind that performance, no? So, and sinabi din dito na using the internet, ay sinabi din dito rin nga na the dance was so accessible, even we can learn by our own using the internet. We can watch 1,000 tutorials on how dance works and also there is online class to learn all about dance. So yun nga, so using internet, so nakakaano tayo, no? Pwede tayo makanood ng massive vast of tutorials about dance na there is no excuses, no, na hindi tayo makapag-learn about dance kasi nga hindi tayo makalabas ng bahay or especially when it day sa pandemic. So, meron din tinatawag na online class, no, tulad Tulad natin ngayon na natuto akong sumayaw, mag-perform ng isang folk dance because with the help of online class. And the second question is, dance is not just about moving part of our body. It's a form of art. With this, we can express our feelings, emotions, message, and dance, and also can help to improve our physical body, can help to make our very joint flexible, and even make our body immune to the different types of sickness. So, with the help of that, so nagiging physically fit din pala tayo, no? So, nai-improve yung mga reflexes natin, yung mga joints natin, and also, na-help yung health natin na mag-improve, yung nga na mag-immune pa tayo sa mga different type of sickness. In social dance is a form of art that most of people use in their everyday life. So they do dance to teach students the knowledge of dance. So yung dance no is is nakaka-help din pala siya no sa mga everyday life ng mga ng mga tao. For example, we can use dance para mabuhay. Pwede maging trabaho, 'di ba? At nakaka-help din ang dance hindi lang basta sa pag-aaral natin kundi sa magiging pang-araw-araw ng buhay natin. So, yun sir, that's it po. Ito po yung aking presentation for this activity po. Thank you po sir and God bless po. Thank you.